How to transfer data from an old watch. Need to transfer data like chat messages, photos, or greeting cards from an old TikTok watch to a new or replacement device? It's quick and easy and available for TikTok 4 and newer models. Before you begin, make sure the new or replacement watch is connected to a cellular network. The old watch only needs to be powered on. On the new TikTok watch, go to Settings, Data Sync, and select Sync data from another watch to this watch. On the old TikTok watch, go to Settings, Data Sync, and select this watch's data will be synced to another watch. On the new watch, start searching for the old watch. Once it appears, select the old watch you want to sync data from. On the old watch, approve the data transfer request. The primary app user will also receive a permission request in the TikTok app. Tap Approve to start the transfer. The following data will be securely copied over: photos, chat history, greeting cards, and more. And if your new watch is using the same TTID, any messages sent or received on the old watch will automatically appear on the new one, so your child can pick up right where they left off.